Welcome back, Mr. Wealth Answer here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I've been able to turn $333.94 into $3,426.50 within my first month trading binary options as a newbie. The amazing part is that you can do it too, and if you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to show you how. I've given myself a challenge, and it's called the 100K challenge. My goal is to earn $100,000 in trading income as a newbie, and I want to see how long it's actually going to take for me to achieve it. A lot of people say trading is hard and that the majority of traders don't make money, and only the top say 15 to 20% really make a living trading. And I say heck with the 80%. Let's see what the 20% is doing and let's just copy them. I'm success and solutions minded, so I love to focus on what's possible, who's done it, what path do I need to follow personally to duplicate it, or what must I do to accomplish it on my own. In every industry, there's always going to be those who succeed and those who don't. We get to choose which group we'll be in. I believe nothing is hard once you know how to do it. The key is just to start and to stay persistent, consistent, and also have patience to learn and undergo the learning curve and process in order to see the most ideal outcomes. All right, enough yapping. Let's get into today's video. All I've done is compile a group of professional traders that I follow and join in on their daily trading sessions to copy their daily signals while soaking in their educational content on how to trade and apply them for myself. And I must say, I am actually not doing that bad. Personally, if I didn't branch off and I only actually stuck with their trading signals, I would have actually made a lot more. But I'm a risk taker, and sometimes I learn better by doing it myself, failing, learning, then going back at it and tweaking it again. The good news is, as of now, I'm actually able to at least recoup my initial investment. So before I share with you the personal lessons that I've learned within the last 30 days trading, let me share with you my results. What I did was create a separate trading account for each trader I'm working with because I wanted to measure the quality of the signals that they were providing. I also wanted to learn their unique trading styles individually and see which of these traders create the best win rate or the most consistent wins. So for my newer account, I actually made a total deposit of $110.62. My total withdrawal for that account was $300, and the balance I have currently in that account is $506.71, and the highest balance I ever had trading on that account was $807.56. So my second account is also with Pocket Options. We'll call this account number 2. My total deposit on that account was $50. I actually wasn't able to withdraw any money from that account. My highest trading balance on that account was $218.31 that I was able to grow it to. However, I lost all that money and I only have 63 cents in that account right now. My third account, which is also my very first account when I started this journey, and that account is actually with QTEX, and this account had a total deposit of $172.92. In this account, I had a total withdrawal of $520, and I basically have only 79 cents in that account. My highest trading balance on that account was actually $2,400.63. So I actually grew my account from about $212, and then I was able to trade that and bring it to $2,400, and I withdrew $520 from that. And I try to trade the rest on my own, trying different strategies, and I made a couple of mistakes by clicking the red button by accident. So when I look at the grand total of all my accounts combined, so my total deposits in total of all 3 accounts is $333.94, and my total withdrawal was $820. The current balance I have in the trading accounts are $506.71, with the highest balance being $3,426.50. Not bad, my first month of trading. And so what are some of the lessons that I learned? I'm going to share them with you right now. So number 1, you have to really learn how to manage your emotions, especially when you're up and then you have like consecutive back-to-back losing trades. For me, sometimes I get angry and sometimes vengeful, and that's where it's actually dangerous because you're actually going to be prone to making very bad trading decisions. and I've experienced that myself. Number 2, don't revenge trade. This is easier said than done, but don't revenge trade. You're gonna lose everything because when you're full of emotions, you don't make the best decisions. That's where I personally encountered my biggest losses. And revenge trade, if you're not sure what that is, it's when you're trading and you lose your money and you want to get it back right away. So rather than to trade, doing proper trading, strategies and going by what your strategy is, you actually start to aggressively try to recoup your money. So you're going in, taking positions without really analyzing the market, trying to kind of gamble, a little bit of a gamble. So don't revenge trade, trying to get the money back in whatever way. If you're emotional about the money or you feel any type of way when you're putting it up, that means you're risking too much. There shouldn't be any emotions attached. Number 3, risk management is key and very important so you don't blow your account. Don't gamble and guess trade either. If you don't know why you should enter a trade, it's probably best not to. The market will beat you the majority of the time. Number 4, you have to control your greed. Sometimes seeing how that money hit your account makes you feel very good, and I felt really good, and a strong desire to want more. But you must learn how to manage your emotions and control it because discipline is crucial. Number 5, set a goal or a target. It really does help. Once you achieve your goal, stop trading. Create a consecutive loss rule. For me, my current rule is after 4 losses, especially in a row, I stop trading, I get up, I leave the computer, and I just take a break because if I don't, I'm probably gonna smash that. Also, pace yourself in regards to how long you want to trade, right? Don't go for a marathon or a sprint, especially if you're not used to it. The longer you trade, the more tired and fatigued you actually become. And when that happens, poor judgment sets in and you become more susceptible to making poor decisions. Number 6, don't overtrade. After some time, your mind gets foggy and you tend to make bad calls and enter into bad positions. Number 7, the best times that I find to trade are on the weekdays during opening sessions, especially from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, especially on the New York session. The London session is also not bad. I find that those times in the morning have a lot of volatility, so there are a lot of great moves in the market that you can get in and out of some of these trades, and it's actually a lot of opportunities to make big profits. Number 8, understanding trading fundamentals really helps with identifying which signals are potentially good and when to enter. The entry of a trade is very important, so master the fundamentals. Number 9, you will start seeing results when you are consistent and disciplined. The more you look at the charts and study chart patterns, the better you start becoming at recognizing them. And you realize the market actually has a pattern. That is what I'm personally realizing right now. And I am actually starting to see that as I'm gaining experience trading. Number 10, there's so many trading strategies. It's good to stick with 1 or 2 until you are very good at it or you have some sort of competency or consistency with it before moving on to the next one. Number 11, indicators are helpful in making decisions, but don't rely on them solely because they provide mixed signals sometimes. And get to know trading fundamentals. Again, like I said before, which are important: resistance, trend line, candlesticks patterns, reversal patterns, continuation patterns, and time frames, and so on. If you can master them, you'll be actually able to consistently make money, and that is my goal. Or at least minimize your losses because you're gonna have them regardless. Number 12, don't be overly afraid of losses and don't be overly excited of wins. Keeping a level head helps to make sure your trade is always consistent. Number 13, don't be afraid. The market senses your fears. Yes, it can sense your fear and it will eat you alive. Number 14, trade on a demo account when trying new strategies and when testing new signals from other trading professionals. Once you get a trading strategy that gives you consistent profits, start trading with real money, but risking only 1 to 2%. So for me, I only risk $1 per trade, but on a demo, I simulate it as if I'm in a real account and only put the amount of money I plan on trading. In this way, my trading habits are learned and formed through my demo sessions, and so it's easy to translate it into my real sessions. Number 15, don't bet your whole account or put money that makes your heart jump. It creates anxiety and can make you anxious. When you put in a trade, your feelings should be neutral about it. Win or lose, you should be okay with that trade. Number 16, don't second guess your trades. Have a reason for entering the trade. If the reason is not good, don't trade. Set yourself up to succeed. So get a couple of confirmations of your trades. So maybe 4 or 5. I like at least 4. If I get 4 signals that, hey, it's a good trade to enter, then I enter. All right, so the fundamentals are critical. So take time to study and watch the charts and candle patterns. I can't reiterate this enough. It's so important. Learn to identify the shapes. Basically go back to the drawing board and try to identify what they are so that you can have a better accuracy in predicting the market. Number 18, always trade with the trend because it's easier to win. If you trade against the trend, make sure you get at least 3 to 4, I would even say 5 trading confirmations before entering a trade. And then lastly, if you're going to trade binary options, I suggest as a newbie, do not trade the OTC market. Trade the original market because it follows the actual patterns, because the OTC market doesn't follow patterns and it can be manipulated, and I believe it is. So that's it for now. That's my experience as a newbie binary options trader for the last month. I'm pretty happy with my results. I'm excited to see how the next few weeks and months unfold. Personally, I see myself getting better at trading and getting better with my entries. Hopefully, I can master it and start pulling in big profits like I see a lot of YouTubers do. I really would like to get to that point when I'm making 10, 17, 20,000 a day. Oh, that would be nice. All right, so to stay up to date with my progress and results, subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for my next videos. I know I said I don't have a Telegram channel, but I've actually decided to create one so people can join for free, see our results before deciding to join our new VIP mastermind group. If you like to make money and build wealth, then mastermind with us. And if you do like trading, then come and trade with us. We trade together and we are actually part of other passive income opportunities that allow us to have total control over our money and also our trading accounts. Check the description down below for more information, and if you guys are interested, I'll see you guys in that Telegram channel. Also, the link to my new Telegram channel will also be placed in the description area as well. I've said a lot and I appreciate you for sticking to the end. Thank you guys for watching. If you have stuck to the end, that means, hey, you're interested. I'd love to see you in our Telegram group and in our trading group. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.